What problems can such an infrastructure cause? From a physical failure to a setup or performance problem, the devices that make up our network and all the elements that connect to it are exposed to constant change. Moreover, in a network, we can find equipment from multiple manufacturers, pre-used, new, managed by different suppliers with more or less updated versions. If we add that a facility such as a hotel can be very large, detecting which particular device is at fault becomes a complicated task, not to say impossible. The quickest solution? The maintenance staff can reset all the equipment in an area, with the discomfort this may cause to guests. On the other hand, when too many devices are connected to the same access point, or there is a lack of proper connection management, the system becomes saturated, communications fail, and network performance slows down. By not being able to see or not being able to measure the wireless part in an efficient way, there's no way to tell if our guests are really having problems. In many cases, if they have connected to the access point in the room or at reception, when they move to other areas of the hotel, the device remains connected to this antenna and loses connection quality, even if you have another access point nearby with a better signal.